is angry as husband stands too close to a beautiful girl in the bus. A few minutes later the girl slaps him for pinching. Husband to wife. I swear I didn't. Wife, I know, I did it. Married life is full of excitement and frustration. In the first year of marriage, the man speaks, and the woman listens. In the second year, the woman speaks, and the man listens. In the third year, they both speak, and the neighbors listen. Man outside phone booth, excuse me. You are holding the phone since 20 minutes, and have no spoken a word. Man inside, I am talking to my wife. Message of the year. Women live a better, longer and peaceful life. Why? Very simple. A woman does not have a wife. How do you know when a woman's about to say something smart? When she starts her sentence with, "A man once told me." Husband, you will never succeed in making that dog obey you. Wife, nonsense, it's only a matter of patience. I had a lot of trouble with you at first. Wife, called her husband. Wife, honey, where are you? Husband, I am at the bank. Wife, dear, please, I need 15,000 rupees to activate my BlackBerry, 5,000 to do my hair and 10,000 to buy a dress. Husband, sorry, I meant I was at the bank of a river. Do you want fish to cook? An intelligent wife is one who makes sure she spends so much that her husband can't afford another. Women. Husband, I found Aladdin lamp today. Wife, wow, what did you ask for, darling? Husband, I asked him to increase your brain 10 times. Wife, oh darling, love you so much. Did he do that? Husband, he laughed and said, multiplication does not apply on 0. Wife, what are you doing? Husband, killing mosquitoes. Wife, how many did you kill? Husband, total 5, 3 males and 2 female. Wife, how do you know their genders? Husband, 2 near mirror and 3 near beer. Tonight I am going to sleep earlier because I want to see you in my dream very early. Love you, my beloved wife. If you marry one woman, she will fight with you. But if you marry 2 women, they will fight for you. Think different. And wife, have life. Wife, yesterday night I saw a dream that you were sending me jewelry and clothes. Husband, yeah, I saw your dad paying the bill. A recently fired stock trader husband. This is worse than divorce. I have lost everything, and I still have my wife. Wife, I look fat. Can you give me a compliment? Husband, you have perfect eyesight. Husband, I am very happy to marry you. Wife, why may I know? Husband, because I got the punishment of my sins in this world. 1 million copies of a new book sold in just 2 days due to typing error of 1 alphabet in title. An idea that can change your wife, while real word was life. An intelligent wife is one who makes sure she spends so much that her husband can't afford another woman. An airline introduced a special package for businessmen. Buy your ticket, get your wife's ticket free. After great success, the company sent letters to all the wives asking how was the trip. All of them gave a same reply. Which trip? A successful marriage is based on give and take, where husband gives money, gifts, dresses and wife takes it, and where wife gives advices, lectures, tensions and husband takes it.